Standardization actually is one other important set of activities that we are very, very proud of what we have achieved in the first 18 months. And we have achieved quite a lot of things that is not very common for such big European projects. Now, the primary target when we're talking about standards, of course, comes in the context of activities like what is being done in the ITF. So ITF stands for Internet Engineering Task Force. So as you can understand, this is where they do have a lot of working groups that they are trying to flesh out specifications and high-level functional diagrams as it pertains exactly to what CASTOR tries to solve. They do have a working group on trusted path routing, and they do have a lot of different activities trying to see how security or trust can work together with network metrics in the different layers. So in all of these activities, CASTOR is active. Not only active, but we have actually taken partners of the consortium, let's say a leading position, also becoming editors in many of these ongoing discussions and ITF specifications, primarily in the context of the trusted path routing as a specification, but also when it comes to the primary, let's say, trust source as a security protocol in the context of remote attestation, services and remote attestation architecture, the so-called ITF RATs. So there are a lot of technical activities, again, partners of the CASTOR consortium. They are part of the editing team. And the important thing you have to understand here, this has a twofold impact. On one hand, it allows CASTOR not only to claim that we are fully compliant to what the standard wants, but we are actually shaping the specifications and the requirements of this next generation of the internet plane. And this is what is very, very important to us. Because again, the whole concept of dynamic trust assessment and how to be able to do it in such a manner that can capture any uncertainty that is inherent to this type of continuously changing network services, this has not been done before, okay? But this is now becomes a necessity in today's services and infrastructures that they are becoming like the target of so many attacks. So this is a set of activities that we have done quite a lot of things, as I mentioned, and we are already have a concrete plan of continuing in the second half of the project of this being very, very active, and also open it up to additional activities now focusing on the application level. As part of our use cases, when it comes to automotive to aerospace, there is a lot of ongoing discussion about regulations, safety regulations, trust requirements in the automotive with ETSI, with ISO. So we plan to also even further open up our standardization activities in the second half of the project and also present our results.